Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a timer for the camera app on iPhone 16e. In order to set a timer, go to the camera app, then click on the up arrow and select the timer, which is this timer icon, and you can set it to 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Then just click on the photo button and it'll start counting down from the certain amount of seconds and take the photo. It'll also indicate it with the flashlight. So as you can see, as I turn on the timer to like 10 seconds, as I take the photo now, you can see this is how it indicates it with the flashlight. And also I think, let's see if it's available in the video. You can see not, slow-mo also not, portrait. The timer is available in the portrait and in the pano not. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.